Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4. I know we skipped 3 because my dad said it looked the same as the first one. Did all the same things in the first one. Yeah, so my dad's right here. Yeah, so Dad, are you in the game?
No.
What happened to your computer? So what's Daddy, remember train versus car?
Oh, my computer just
Gosh.
died.
So a long time ago. Wait.
I need to get my computer to charge.
I played Piggy and Bill. Okay.
How about you get the game right?
Okay.
No.
Don't press the button. Don't press the button 4. Here we go. Why's your dinosaur in flamingo, Dad? Daddy, why? So loud still, right, Dad? Daddy, what's happening? What's happening? I can't spin. I can't spin. What just happened? Let me rejoin. Dad, is it good still? Dad?
Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. Okay, what are you doing? There's Dinosaur Man. Go, Dinosaur Man! Dad, what's happening? What's Dinosaur Man doing? What? No, I'm not eating fun. Pizza Book 99. What? This is a hard, Dad. This is hard, Daddy. Flamingo Man. I'm gonna die. Daddy! This is hard, Dad. God, Dinosaur Man's really good at this stuff. No, never mind. Wait, what, Dad? Okay, good. Where's Flamingo Man? Oh, he's on top of that. Dinosaur Man, he lost. Let's go on the next time, too. Come on. I can't push the button. What's happening? Here we go. No. Floor's lava. Daddy! What's happening? Gotta go fast, I know, but just go fast, I guess. Daddy, can you go in the game now? Okay, Dad. Okay. Okay. But Daddy, they can't hear us probably, so you want to, okay? Going on here, Dad. Yes, I'm cheating. Oh, she did. Hello, guys. Alright, what are you doing? Oh my God. Daddy! Why do you have it on your phone? Okay, Dad. God. Dad, where are you? Are you in my game? Get. Press the button. People, get out of the way. How do you press? I'm pressing. I think I'll just press it. Get ready. What are you doing? No! Daddy, yeah, die, people. I can't move. I can't move. Dad, look. Don't have this. Okay, Pizza Book Man. I'm gonna win. No! Okay. Bye-bye. Suck. Okay, who won? I can't move. Daddy, help me. I'm resetting. Slide down. Okay. Daddy! Daddy! Okay, join my game. Go. Yay, Daddy, I'm gonna win. Yay, winners, Monkily left. Daddy, I won first place. Thanks, Dad. Yeah, woohoo! Daddy! What's happening? Wait, where are you? Come on, structure. Oh, okay. Dad, I won! I'm jumping right now. I'm right here, Dad! Did you die, Dad? Oh, let's see. Hey, dude. Ow. The lava's coming. I'm going back. Lava's coming, Dad. Be careful. Daddy! On your mat! What? What, Daddy? Oh, come on! That was the game's fault. I fell. Okay, that girl's winning. Go, girl! Dad, you're so slow. I know, Daddy.
You're taking all the things.
Yeah. Oh, God. Let's go. Okay. I want to press the button. Daddy, volcano! Daddy!
I'm in the corner, Mom.
Where are you? I died! No, I'm still alive! You died. My God! So much, Daddy! I'm scared! Daddy, can you hold my hand? Dad? Where's the volcano, Dad? That's my soccer! Play soccer, Dad. Daddy! Yay! We scored a goal, Dad. I hate Roblox stuff. I don't like that people ever just move over. Can't even get it out of the goal. I think you can. I'll press. Money. The heck? No, I'm standing right here now. I'm gonna put... What? I didn't see that! Dad, I didn't see those potatoes. What? Daddy, I'm big! I'm a grown-up now! Dad, I'm a grown-up! Daddy! But I am in Roblox. That means I am in real life, right, Dad? Okay. Will I become a grown-up when I'm older? Okay. Why just bounce a trampoline? God. I don't need to jump. Find the hole. Oh God, Dad!
We're too big.
Or I can just jump. I'm huge. Dad, why am I huge?
Because you didn't die.
Oh. Yay, but I'm still big. Yeah, I'm taller than you, Daddy. I'm a grown-up now. Dad, I'm a grown-up.
No, you're not.
Fine. I'm taller than the guy who pressed the button. Wow. A big boy. I'm a big boy.
You'll be the most annoying.
Daddy, why do you do that?
Most of the people are kids. You're not a grown up.
Yeah, but I don't... That's my voice, Dad. I don't know if I'm going to be annoying when I'm older. No! I can jump high. There we go. Daddy, it's crazy. That guy's VIP. Is this going to be full of lava? Okay. VIP. Dad, is this floor lava? There. Yeah, I got up first of everybody in the two buildings. Oh, tsunami, Dad! Daddy, where are you? No, don't kill me, peeps. Dad, did you die?
Yeah.
No. Did people push you?
No, I tried to get up the stupid first. Yeah.
That sucks.
They pushed me back.
Watch out for the mummies. Oh, I didn't see a mummy. There's mummies everywhere, Dad. Daddy, did you die by a mummy? Yeah. easy, Deb. Look up. Come on.
I'm stuck.
Daddy, I'm stuck. Ah, Daddy! Dad, you're kind of the only one alive. I'm choosing yellow because I like bananas. Okay, Dad? I think yellow's the lucky one. Yay!
Everyone.
Yeah. See? I'm going to... Yeah, green. Yeah. Oh, God, I almost went to blue. Daddy, I'm going to blue. Yay, Daddy, we won! No, Daddy! Why, stupid? God, freaking
I made it to the other side by standing on the side
good, Dad.
on the rope. I see you, monks.
Yeah, I died. Quickly to the top.
That was easy.
God, I died. I always die. What did you do? I didn't take the shortcut.
What did you do?
What was that shortcut, Dad?
We're safe.
Yeah. Okay, what about that guy? Is he gonna make it? What did you do that for, dude? Die. Oh God, Dad.
So laggy.
Yeah. No. Oh, that noob's scary, Dad. Oh, come on. I don't want to push it. Dad, can I press it? I never pressed it before. The other games I have. I think it's impossible. Dad, can I press it? No.
It's too laggy.
This
I died
stupid.
because it's too laggy.
That guy. Die, dude. Just die. video now. Let's end the video now. Okay, well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that subscribe button. Call the video. Yeah. Yeah, bye guys.